Hey everyone. So you just took that time management self assessment, right? Some of you probably scored higher than you expected. Others might be thinking, wow, I really need to work on this stuff. Here's the thing, wherever you landed, you're exactly where you need to be to start getting better. Let me ask you something. How many of you have ever felt like there just aren't enough hours in the day? Like you're constantly playing catch up with your automotive tech assignments, your culinary arts prep, or balancing your health sciences classes with work? Yeah, I thought so. Here's what I wish someone had told me: time management isn't about being perfect, it's about being intentional with the time you've got. And mastering this skill now, it's going to set you apart in ways you can't imagine. Whether you're heading into an internship at a welding shop, starting your EMT program, or jumping into the workforce after your construction trade certification, employers want people who can show up and deliver consistently. That's where time management becomes your secret weapon. Now, I know some of you are thinking, I work better under pressure. Listen, that last minute scramble might work for some projects, but when you're responsible for patient care in your nursing pathway, or prepping for lunch rush in your culinary program, or troubleshooting electrical systems winging it, just doesn't cut it. So let's talk real strategies. First, know when you do your best work. Are you sharper in the morning during your HVAC lab, or do you hit your stride later in your business marketing class? Once you figure this out, schedule your toughest tasks during your peak energy times. Here's another game changer: break big projects into smaller pieces. Say you're in digital media and need to create a portfolio website. Instead of this massive, overwhelming project, break it down: research phase, design mockups, coding, content creation, testing. Suddenly, what felt impossible becomes totally doable. And here's something that might surprise you: learning to say no is crucial. I know that sounds backwards when you're trying to build experience, but when you're clear about your priorities, saying no to things that don't align actually gives you more time for opportunities that really matter. That assessment highlighted areas where you're already strong and others with room to grow. Maybe you're great at planning but struggle with distractions. Or you're excellent at breaking down projects but need to work on tracking your time. The beautiful thing is, you now have a roadmap. Here's what I want you to do: pick just one area from that assessment to improve. Don't try to fix everything at once. That's burnout waiting to happen. Start small, build the habit, then expand. Whether you're in agriculture technology, cosmetology, criminal justice, or any other pathway, strong time management skills make everything easier. You'll feel more confident, less stressed, and actually have more time for things you enjoy. Here's the bottom line: time management isn't about restricting your life, it's about creating space for your life to really take off. You've got the tools, you've got awareness from that assessment, and most importantly, you've got the potential to make this your competitive advantage. Your future self is going to thank you for starting now. Trust me on that one.